In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Make.com with easy steps. By connecting Notion to Make.com, you can unlock a new realm of possibilities, such as automating task management, syncing databases, setting up AI workflows, automating notes, and even establishing streamlined CRM systems. Imagine the efficiency and effectiveness of having all these processes running seamlessly on autopilot. With their simple setup, we'll guide you through these steps effortlessly, resulting in a dynamic and responsive workflow that links your Notion database to various platforms like Google Sheets, Telegram, or Gmail. Let's dive into the process. The first thing you'll want to do is visit Make.com and log in or create an account if you haven't already done so. Once you're inside, look for the option to create a new scenario. This is where all the magic happens, as scenarios in Make.com serve as the core of automating tasks and managing workflows between your apps. Once you've started a new scenario, the next step is to add the Notion module, which serves as your connection point between Notion and Make.com. You'll begin this by clicking on the plus sign to add a module. Then search for Notion in the search bar and select it when it appears. In this context, there are two main modules you can choose from: Watch Database Items or Create a Database Item. The choice here depends on what exactly you wish to accomplish. If you want the automation to trigger based on changes in Notion, Watch Database Items is your best bet. Alternatively, if you're aiming to automate entries into your Notion database, opt for Create a Database Item. Once you've added the Notion module to your scenario, it's time to establish a secure link between Notion and Make.com by creating a connection